जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतं। जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्। आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्। आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्। नित्यमुक्तं निर्विकल्पं ध्यानलोकप्रदीपकम्।
ಪರಮಹಂಸ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದರು ನಮ್ಮ ಯುಗದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅಭೂತಪೂರ್ವ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಸಮಾಜದ ಆಂದೋಲನದ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು, ಆಧುನಿಕ ವೈದಿಕ ನವೋದಯದ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಅನ್ವೇಷಕ, ಪವಿತ್ರ ಊರಾದ ತಿರುವಣ್ಣಾಮಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಜನ್ಮ ತಾಳಿದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಯೋಗಿ, ಕೆಚ್ಚೆದೆಯ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಸಂಶೋಧಕ, ದೈವಶಕ್ತಿಯ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶಕ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ. ಪರಮಹಂಸ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದರು ಇಂದು ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ರಹಸ್ಯಾರ್ಥ ಯೋಗ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ ಪಥದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಲಕ್ಷಾಂತರ ನಿಪುಣರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿದಾಯಕರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕತೆಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ ಸಂಶೋಧನಾಕಾರ, ಆತ್ಮ ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ಕಾರ ತೋರುವ ಗುರುಗಳು. ಅವರ ವಿವೇಕದ ಸಂಪತ್ತು, ಅವರ ನಗುವಿನ ಆ ಸಂತಸ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರ ಅದ್ವಿತೀಯ ದೀಕ್ಷೆಯ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಪರಮಹಂಸ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದರು ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಸುಮಾರು 1 ಕೋಟಿ ಜನರೊಡನೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಪರಮಹಂಸ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದರು ಜೀವನ್ಮುಕ್ತಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಆನಂದಮಯ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮರೆಯಲಾರದ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಸರ್ವಧರ್ಮ ಪ್ರಣೇತಾರಂ ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದರೂಪಿಣಂ ವಂದೇ ಸನಾತನಂ ಪುಣ್ಯಂ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದಾಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತಂ. ವೇದ ವೇದಾಂತ ಸಂವೇದ್ಯಂ ದೇವದೇವಿ.
Today is talking about the Kshatriya Dharma, the political ethics. King Janaka and others ascended to the space of perfection through performance, considering the welfare of the world alone. Its selfless performance deserves to be undertaken. As I said, Krishna is exactly moving with our spirit, or we are moving with Krishna. See, today is talking about the Kshatriya Dharma, the political ethics. He says, even King Janaka and others ascended to the space of perfection, to the highest space, Paramapnodi, through performance, considering the welfare of the world alone. It deserves to be undertaken. Even in the lifestyle of a king like Janaka, live, go on performing without getting clutched. Unclutched performance of action leads to the ultimate. That is the one and only way for the ultimate. The ultimate which can be achieved by human being can be achieved just by this one truth, unclutched action. Go on performing in unclutched way. Whatever field you want perfection, whether it is the field of personal physical health or mental health, or internal fulfillment or enlightenment, or politics, economics, any field, the ultimate can be achieved by unclutched action. Just for protesting the ban on Bhagavad Gita, We need to develop the spirit of standing up for what we believe. Let us tell this to the world. We may be small in number, don't worry. Let this spirit and intensity be built. We stand for what we believe. Missed this spirit. That is why we have faced such a big torture and suffering and religious persecution. Powerful, highest universal truth. Who can give any other spiritual truth other than this to the world? If somebody is even considering banning this great book, this great wisdom, he may have to read the right translation. That's it. Otherwise, you will not even consider the idea of banning this great book. It's a powerful source of wisdom. Sri Krishna is the ultimate teacher who neither reduced the strength of the teachings nor taught only to a small group. Without reducing the strength of the teachings, he took this to the whole world. He took it to the whole world. Whole world, to the whole universe, without reducing the strength of the truth. Bhagavad Gita is truth as it is. Unclutched way. Go on performing. Performing is the only way you will achieve the ultimate. Paramapnodi Purushaha. Bhagavan is giving the reference of Janaka, his father-in-law in the earlier birth. Janaka was father-in-law of Sri Rama. Janaka's adopted daughter was given in marriage to Sri Ramachandra, Sita. Sita is adopted daughter of Janaka. Bhagavan is mentioning, referring to Janaka, saying that even the people like Janaka achieved the supreme Paramapnodi, which can be achieved by human beings by the unclutched performance. So let the unclutched performance be the center of your life. Not only we should protest the ban on Bhagavad Gita, we should also take the responsibility of spreading the Bhagavad Gita. Spreading Bhagavad Gita means spread this one truth, unclutched performance. Go on performing in unclutched way.
ಖಿನ್ನತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೊಲ್ಲುತ್ತಿದೆಯೇ? ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸಲು ನಿಮಗೆ ಭಯವಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆಯೇ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದಿನ ನೆನಪುಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಾಡುತ್ತಿವೆಯೇ? ಇವೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೂ ಮೂಲ ಕಾರಣ ಬಾಲ್ಯದಿಂದಲೇ ಸಮಾಜವು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಿರುವ ನಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕವಾದ ಮನೋವೃತ್ತಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿಂದ ಹೊರಬರಲು ಒಂದೇ ಮಾರ್ಗವೆಂದರೆ ಈ ನಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕ ಮನೋವೃತ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಾಶಗೊಳಿಸುವುದು. ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಸ್ಫುರಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಪ್ರಬಲಯುಕ್ತವಾದ ಧ್ಯಾನ ತಂತ್ರಗಳ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆಳವಾಗಿ ಬೇರೂರಿರುವ ನಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕ ಮನೋವೃತ್ತಿಗಳಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ.
Your life is basically bliss. Anything you feel other than bliss is a samskara, engraved memory. These 4 days I am going to remove those engraved memories from you.
ಮಗುವಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು ಅನುಭವಿಸಿದ ಆ ನಿರ್ಮಲವಾದ ಮುಗ್ಧತೆಯ ಆನಂದವನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಒಂದು ಮಹತ್ತರವಾದ ಅವಕಾಶ. ದಿನಾಂಕ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 1 ರಿಂದ 4, 2012. ಸ್ಥಳ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಧ್ಯಾನಪೀಠ, ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದಪುರಿ, ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ನಗರ, ಮೈಸೂರು ರಸ್ತೆ, ಬಿಡದಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ದೂರವಾಣಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 1800-425-22333, 0974-220-3311.
You need to catch. Don't avoid becoming a leader. Don't escape from the leadership responsibility. Bhagavan says very clearly, go on performing in unclutched way. Whenever you try to become preeminent in a team or in an institution or in a society or in a state or in a country, learn this truth. Now you are responsible for the whole team or the group for which you are trying to become preeminent, because your behavior is going to be the trendsetter. Your behavior is going to be the scale. Bhagavan is using a word, pramanam, the scale, and that becomes a standard for the people. This should be the important lesson for all the people who are leaders and who are trying to become leaders. Now, your body, your mind cannot express anymore your ordinary, mundane, personal, vested interest, actions and desires. It is already now sacrificed. See, the moment you try to become a leader for 10 people, your body, your mind, your behavior is sacrificed to the 10 people. Now, whatever is good for the 10 people, that trend only has to be set through your body and mind. Same way, if you are trying to become a leader for a state, now your whole body and mind is sacrificed to that state. Now, only whatever trend your body and mind need to set for the whole state, only that can express through your body and mind. Responsibility is supposed to fill your body and mind. It cannot go with its own vested interests. There are different rules, regulations, ethics for a person when he is in different standards of life. When he is an ordinary man, Shudra, where nobody else is following him, he is just a follower by himself to somebody else. He has no responsibility. He can do 10 bad things and one good thing if he does, that's enough. That itself he gets the credit. But when you are a preeminent person, as Bhagavan describes here, when you are trying to be a leader for some group or for some team or for some state or for some country or for anybody, even if you do 1,000 good actions, that does not give you the right to do one bad action. For example, some devotee gives me one meal. For that itself he is blessed. He is a follower. One good food he gave, he is blessed forever. But the person who is taking care of me, he cannot say, I gave 1,000 good meal to Swamiji, so only one poisonous meal I gave. You have no right. All the good actions you did does not give you the right to do bad actions. All the good actions you do does not give any right for you to do bad actions. The law, the regulation, the ethics of the Sreshtaha is totally different. When you try to take the power in your hand, when you try to be a preeminent person, when you try to enjoy all the things comes along with being a leader, being a preeminent person, you are bound to take the responsibility.
ಓರ್ವ ಅವತಾರ ಪುರುಷರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ದಿವ್ಯ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಬೇಕೇನು? ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಪರಮಹಂಸರೊಡನೆ ಮುಖಾಮುಖಿ.
ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಹಿಯರ್.
ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ಪರಮಹಂಸ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದರು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಅಪೂರ್ವವಾದ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಸದೃಶವಾದ ಉಡುಗೊರೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
You got practically everything and too much for a phone call.
ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ನಡೆಯುವ ಸತ್ಸಂಗದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೂ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಉತ್ತರ ನೀಡಲು ಅವರು ಲಭ್ಯವಿರುವರು.
No, you ask anything you want in your life. Ask me any boon you want.
ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 8 ಗಂಟೆಯ ನಂತರ +918027279999 ಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡುವ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ನಿಮ್ಮದಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗೂ ntv.nityananda.org ಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರ ನೇರ ಪ್ರಸಾರವನ್ನು ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ.
Whatsoever behavior is expressed by a preeminent person, the rest of the population follows it, because the rest of the population looks up, expects the trend, wants to know the scale. That which he sets as a scale is the standard for the people. When you try to be preeminent, when you try to be a Sreshtaha, Bhagavan is using the word, beautiful word, Acharati Sreshtaha. When you try to be a Sreshta, what you do, way you think, way you behave, the acharati, whatever you do, influences, affects, makes or breaks the remaining population, the rest of the population. A follower, an ordinary person, even if he does 10 bad things and 1 good thing, he is recognized, praised, respected for it. But a person who is trying to become a leader, the person who is trying to be a responsible, that people, even if you do 100 good things and 1 bad thing, that cannot be tolerated, that should not be tolerated, that will not be tolerated. Because you are setting a trend for the rest of the population. Whatsoever behavior is expressed by a preeminent person, the rest of the population follows it. That which he sets as a scale is the standard for the people. Why do you think I am putting so much of my time and energy and concern in refining all of you in every inch? Every single pattern I am removing from all of you. So much of purity I am bringing into all of you. So much of honesty I am expecting from all of you. Because I know you guys are going to be the Jagat Gurus. You guys are going to be guiding the world. You guys are going to be what Bhagavan says as Sreshtaha, the great. The behavior expressed by you all, the words you utter, the way you talk, the way you live, the way you think, the way you do everything is going to be setting a trend for the rest of the population. So 100 good things you do does not give you the right for doing even 1 bad thing. Karma is a linear, means 1 by 1 by 1. They are not cutting each other. They do not nullify each other. The good karma you did does not nullify the bad karma you do. No. Good comes, bad comes, all of them express their result in your life. You live the good for the good you did. You live the bad for the bad you did. They don't nullify each other. They don't logically cancel each other. No, this much quantity good, this much quantity bad, both is nullified. No. Whatever action is performed by the preeminent person, Sreshtaha, or who is trying to be preeminent or trying to be preeminent, rest of the population follows it. That which he sets as a scale is the standard for the people. This should be the lesson. All the people who are leaders, who are trying to become leaders, who think they are leaders, for everybody. This is the standard Bhagavan Sri Krishna is setting. Karma is quantity. Whatever is done follows next one by one. Sacred secret from this sutra you need to catch.
ಕಲ್ಪತರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂಡಲಿನಿ ಜಾಗೃತಿಯ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕುಂಡಲಿನಿ ಎಂದರೇನು? ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಲ್ಲೂ ಸುಪ್ತವಾಗಿ ಅಡಗಿರುವ ಅಸಾಧಾರಣ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯವೇ ಕುಂಡಲಿನಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಗುರುಗಳ ದೀಕ್ಷೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಕುಂಡಲಿನಿ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಜಾಗೃತಗೊಳಿಸಬಹುದು. ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಕುಂಡಲಿನಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಜಾಗೃತಗೊಂಡರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆ ತರುವ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಅದಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ, ಸಂಪತ್ತು, ಯಶಸ್ಸು, ಸಂತೋಷಭರಿತ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಜ್ಞಾನೋದಯವನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಧ್ಯಾನ ಹಾಗೂ ದೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ಬಳಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕುಂಡಲಿನಿ ಜಾಗೃತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಇಳುಕು ನೋಟವನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪತರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನುಭವಿಸಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವಾರಾಂತ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಳ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಧ್ಯಾನಪೀಠ, ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ನಗರ, ಬಿಡದಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು.
Don't avoid becoming a leader. Don't escape from the leadership responsibility. Bhagavan says very clearly, go on performing in unclutched way. Means raise the level of your behavior, transform the level of your thinking, raise your consciousness and decide, I will neither give up being a preeminent person nor be irresponsible. If you just be irresponsible, that is sin. If you just give up being a leader, that is again failure. Each one of you who are going to be Jagat Gurus, so decide strongly that we are going to be setting a trend. The sacred secret from the sutra is be a responsible leader. Be a responsible head. Be responsible trendsetters. You guys are going to be the trendsetter for millions of people in the future, maybe billions in the future, even if you don't want, just because of my charisma, you guys are going to be, are already for some few thousand, but going to be trendsetter for billions. As Bhagavan says here, you are going to be Sreshtaha for billions. So purify. purify yourself with responsibility. Because lokaha tat anuvartate, world follows that footsteps. Lokaha tat anuvartate means the world follows their footsteps. What he does, what they do, becomes the pramana, trend setting. So the essence from this sutra, the sacred secret from this sutra is transform yourself, take the responsibility of becoming a leader, set a responsible trend, set a responsible behavior as the trend.